Turning plans into action is critical for successful GMP equipment qualification. This involves executing three key phases: installation qualification, operational qualification, and performance qualification. First, installation qualification, or IQ, ensures that equipment is installed according to specifications. Key steps include verifying components, utility connections, and environmental conditions. Remember, thorough documentation during IQ is essential for traceability and audit readiness. Next, operational qualification, or OQ, validates that the equipment operates reliably under defined conditions. Functional testing, alarm validation, and data integrity checks are crucial to confirm readiness for real-world use. Finally, performance qualification, or PQ, demonstrates consistent equipment performance during routine operations. Long-term reliability testing ensures the equipment can meet production demands over time. By properly executing IQ, OQ, and PQ phases, you'll not only ensure GMP compliance, but also minimize risks and enhance operational efficiency.